Hello and welcome. If you're wondering how to change your Snapchat username using your Android phone, you're in the right place. In this step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to update your username. It's a simple process, but remember Snapchat only allows this once per year. First, open the Snapchat app on your Android phone. Tap on your profile icon located at the top left corner of the screen. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. In the Settings menu, tap on Username. Now tap Change Username. Snapchat will remind you that you can only change your username once a year. Tap Continue to proceed. Enter your new username, and then tap Next at the bottom. To confirm the change, enter your Snapchat account password. Tap on Confirm, and then tap Continue to finish. That's it. Your Snapchat username has now been updated. Thanks for watching this Snapchat tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to share it. Remember, your username change is limited to once a year, so choose it carefully.